Education gives us a huge chance to be developed. With the help of technology, now we are entering 4.0, even 5.0 era of globalization. Unfortunately, until now, some people still use their conservative way in the middle of sophistication technology. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Idhar, as presenter of my paper with the title Trainer and Remote Lab Design Using Internet of Things. The preliminary observation in Makassar State University, especially Department of Technology majoring electronical engineering, shows that digital electronic curriculum still in a conventional practice. Then I tried to interview some students. They hope an interesting lesson method provided by lecture. As a talk, first in my background, we are now in a digital era. So, as a result of the primary observation, I am as the researcher provide a great solution for this problem, which is make trainer and remote lab design using Internet of Things. So the method used in this research are research development with waterfall development model include the first requirement. This part is an analysis need of student to provide an interesting lesson for practice in lab as a goal of study in form of software and hardware based on IO. The second design, this part explains a step to produce specification need of this lesson method in form of software and hardware based on IO. And the last, third, coding and testing. The final step to practice software and hardware that have been made. Research and discussion. This research shows that 90.3% connectivity success when practicing with 10 students and 10 questions as sample. These questions are explained during 21 times. So, the result shows that hardware as a trainer IO and software as a remote lab IO. And for the procedure of this trainer and remote lab, trainer and remote lab connect to the internet, so the student can do practice in a virtual way. In a detail, first, students are in home and running remote lab application. When the application is open, then the student goes some of trainer which is citable with their class. The application directly shows live streaming video due to the choosing trainer. A student change the input variable in each get application. The application send data to trainer in laboratory. Then send the data result by video streaming to the student. The application that have been made have an ID for each student and lectures. With the student do practice, the lecturer also can control them. They have an access to know in what step the student have practiced. So the student can do their practice anytime and everywhere. And also for the lecture with real-time system. Finally, as the conclusion, trainer and remote lab IoT are successful, and both of them can use as a lesson method anytime and everywhere. Thank you.